In this video, I am going to show you how to change the theme image in Gboard Android. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, subscribe it. Let's get started. Open the setting app from your phone. At the bottom of the setting menu, tap System. Then tap Language and Input. Here you will find Gboard. Tap on Gboard. Then tap Theme. Here is some preset theme from Gboard. You can download this or you can set it of your own. Tap on the plus icon of the My Theme menu. It will open your gallery. Then select the image which you want to set as the theme background. Select the image. Select the ratio, which portion you want to select or not. Tap Next. Here you can adjust the brightness of the image. You can increase or decrease the brightness. Tap Done. Here you can enable the key border or not. Apply the image. Our theme is set. Let's check this. Here you can see the theme image of our Gboard has been changed. That was our today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.